Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something a little different. How to silently remove 15 burdens from your life. No grand gestures, no announcements, just quiet personal growth. Ready? Let's go. 1. Digital clutter. Show cluttered desktop phone. Start by deleting unused apps and old files. Organize your digital space without a word. 2. Toxic relationships. Show person muting notifications. Slowly distance yourself from negative influences. No drama, just gradual change. 3. Unnecessary commitments. Calendar with items being erased. Stop saying yes to everything. Quietly decline invitations that don't align with your goals. 4. Physical clutter. Time lapse of room being tidied. One item at a time. Declutter your space. No need to announce it, just do it. 5. Mental baggage. Person meditating. Practice mindfulness to let go of past regrets and future anxieties. 6. Time-wasting habits. Clock ticking. Social media apps closing. Gradually reduce time on unproductive activities. Replace with meaningful ones. 7. Negative self-talk. Thought bubbles with positive affirmations. Reframe your inner dialogue. Be kind to yourself, silently. 8. Perfectionism. Person erasing perfect and writing done. Embrace good enough without explanation. Progress over perfection. 9. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Phone notifications being turned off. Quietly opt out of constant updates. Focus on your present. 10. Procrastination. To-do list with items being checked off. Take small, immediate actions. No need to announce your productivity. 11. Unhealthy eating habits. Fridge being restocked with healthy options. Gradually swap out junk food for nutritious alternatives. Your body will thank you silently. 12. Energy vampires. Person setting boundaries. Limit time with those who drain you. No confrontation needed, just gentle distancing. 13. Comparison trap. Social media feeds being unfollowed. Unfollow accounts that make you feel inadequate. Focus on your own journey. 14. Unfinished projects. Projects being completed or discarded. Complete or let go of lingering tasks. Free up mental space without fanfare. 15. Need for approval. Person looking confident. Make decisions for yourself, not others. Your growth doesn't need an audience. Remember, true change often happens in silence. It's not about grand declarations, but consistent, quiet actions. Which of these resonated with you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing content. And hey, why not share this video with someone who might need it? Sometimes the greatest gift is a gentle nudge towards positive change. Until next time, keep growing, keep evolving, and remember, your journey is uniquely yours. Peace out.